Hey guys, I got another unboxing from Argos Fragrance International. This one here is another one that we've been waiting on, and can't wait to check this out. This is they're legendary when it comes to their packaging and everything, and you know how they send this out. Oh, this is fragrance. A kiss, okay, let's see, just very nice. All this is just, it's very nice. You know, their packaging is awesome, and it comes with this little seal that's on it. It's very, very, very nice. And then we have our test strips here that I'm gonna use. Anyways, let's see. Let's get this. Gave me some samples. Looks like Fall of Phaeton. And then, oh my goodness, the video. Oh god, Caskia. I can't like see it. See it? You guys see it? Brevedo, Delicacia, or something like that, Delicacia. You know, very nice. I'm gonna try these later, but let's get to what we're here for up here. Well, maybe. Oh man, nice. Look at that. Very nice. This, like I said, there. Awesome packaging. You can't beat it. This is like, jeez, you know, awesome. Let's go ahead and undo this. Trying to hurry it up. Very nice though. Very nice. Look at that. Sacred Flame. Sacred Flame. Can't beat it. That looks nice. Very nice. So, I have another. Take this. Can't wait to see what this is like. Sacred Flame. All right, so it doesn't show any notes here. I know it's not out yet. It doesn't come out until like next month. I hear they're saying sometime next month maybe, and that's September of 24. So nice. Let's see what she looks like here. Yeah, look at there. All right. Very nice, very nice. Pull this out. Set it here. Maybe you guys see it there. Peach burger, tangerine, ginger, clove, grapefruit, pepper tree. Oh, this is gonna be great. I can already tell you this. That was just the top notes.